Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You watching King KKCOP car unboxing place. Today I'm going to unbox this product. So you thinking what is that inside? So before opening that box, let me sanitize first. Now it's time to open. Yes guys, today I'm going to unbox Syska LED bulb, like UPS battery bulb. You no need to buy spending all the way 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 for UPS. You can just buy this bulb for $3.99, which I got it from Amazon for offer. As you can see here, the bulb, it can charge, it can save your electricity bill, and 6-year warranty. Sorry, I mean 6 month. As you can see, this bulb will come around 600, but I got in discount for 400. So let me open it. So that's it. You won't get anything except the bulb and the user manual. I think this is a warranty card. Yes guys, this is the bulb. 6. So let me show how to use this bulb. Guys, now I'm going to fix this bulb over here. Before you're going to remove this bulb, make sure you turn off the switch, and for the more safety, you can turn off the main switch also. So let me remove this. As you can see, it's a bigger size, it's a bigger bulb. Fixed. So now the bulb got fixed. So now I'm going to turn on the bulb. So as you can see, this is the power of the bulb. So now I'm going to turn off the main switch. As you can see, this bulb is running with electricity. So I'm going to on the light which is next to it. Now you can see even this bulb is running with electricity, even this. So now I'm going to turn off this main switch. So I'm going to turn off now. As you can see, it's got immediately on. Now this bulb is running with the battery which built it inside the bulb. So let me turn on the main switch. As you can see, now both bulb got on, which I'm not touching the switches. Now I'm going to turn off the main switch. This is the power and this is a daytime. Let me show you in the night time. This is a night power. Now you saw the nighttime video. So this is very good gadget for your family. Let me get back. Welcome back. You saw the review of this bulb. So still I'm going to give few more information on this bulb. So this bulb charging time is 8 to 10 hours and this bulb can run 3.5 maximum. And you'll be thinking how to charge. So when you're going to fix this bulb, when you on the light, you can see the bulb will be light on, and with that the bulb will get charged automatically. It will be getting charged and it will light up your home also. And if you have any doubt on this bulb, if this bulb is working or not, to check that you have to have a coin and take a bulb, touch to the coin, and you will be seeing it will be lighting up. So if it doesn't light up, that means the bulb has a problem. So you can exchange the product. And in your home, if electricity is not working properly, if the bulb is not turning on, so it's maybe problem of your electric. So make sure that you check it properly. This bulb is really helpful those who can't afford the UPS batteries and where is electric problem, like some villages will get electric around 10 hours per day, 3 hours per day, 4 hours per day, 8 hours per day. So in the night time, so many people will be not getting electric in the few villages, and this product will is very helpful for them. Like it's very useful for the children's education, for the parents, for cooking food or doing some work, and etc. So this is a very good product. So if you plan to give any gift for the Diwali, so I think this is the best gift you can give to your mates or your to friends, family, anyone. This is the best product to give. Think something new to give, to use some products to home. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe, give a like, click the bell notification on. Whenever I do the new upload, you will be the first person to watch this. Love you all. See you in the next video.